Hi friends, it's Julia, and I am here with day number 19 of the best of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today's sketch is one from the original series 7, day 15, and I don't see any recognition of who the creator was. It just says on here scrapbook challenges on this little block. So we'll go with that. I think that was a blog where they had the challenges. Anyway, it is a 3-photo sketch, and I will show you a close-up here in just a minute with the title, long title down the side. So I have my 3 photos, and then I have the background paper. I chose this dusty rose color that I had in my collection, as well as some border strips, and then these 2 introduction sheets to Millie and Gabby. This one, Gabby, I've already cut down, and I think I'm going to cut part of this maybe down. We'll see what I can get done with these, but I feel like if I cut these 3 out, that's a 3x3 square. Again, these 3, again, these 3, again, these 3. So that's going to give me 4 3x3 squares. I don't know what I'm going to use. I may want to use some of these, especially with these, the florals on this one. So we'll see. Here's where I'm starting though, with this sheet and then this other one. I've pulled in 3 separate washi tapes. I have pink, the pink and the beige and red, and then the black and white diagonal stripe. Then all of the ephemera, I just pulled it in because I didn't want to go through and pull stuff out just yet. I pulled in 3 separate I pulled in 3 separate pocket page cards. The 2 with the floral from Felicity Jane, and this one from Freckled Fawn. It says "Love you so much" on one side, and then the other side says "Hello." I pulled it for that side. If I use those, you know, that's kind of up in the air right now. I pulled in the enamel hearts as well as the puffy hearts. I pulled in these these washi strips and these washi strips. I pulled in labels. I pulled in chipboard, and I pulled in this font to create my title. It's not as big as what's in the inspiration, but that's okay. I'll make it work if I can. But here is my starting point. So I have this huge pile here. Let me show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 19. Let me show you what I did not use. I have the cutoffs of the papers that I used in this collection, and then I have this one border strip here, this blue striped one. It's a cutoff, a border strip that I already put adhesive on. I was going to use it and then didn't end up using it, so I'm going to stick it to my work surface. I have this one from my cutoff from my background paper, this one from the introduction sheet of the papers, and then I have these, the 3x4 cards. I did not use these, so those will all go back into my stash. What I did use, these were not exactly 3x3. This strip is not 3 inches, it's like 3.5. So I cut off a 1/2 inch of here, and you can see these are left over from the other piece, and then I have this whole section here, but I wanted to really use on this one, I wanted to use the piece with the floral on it. I did back my embellishment cluster boxes with white cardstock, so I have that left. I used all 3 of my washi tapes. I did use a bit of the ephemera in here, some of the chipboard flowers. I did use the enamel hearts, the puffy hearts, the chipboard. I think I used 3 pieces from there. I did use both sets of washi strips. I did use labels from both sheets. I pulled in this extra alphabet to help with my title. I did use this alpha set for my title, and this one I pulled in only for the hearts at the bottom. And here is the layout that I created. because I don't know if it's okay with this family if I use their photos. This is a lot about them. And my title is Celebrating with Friends at the top there. And it's about my grandsons, my step-grandsons' family friends that have been their friends for years and years. They have 2 short people, and then that's the family friend. And she's down here in this photo as well. And I did not get permission to put their photos on the internet, so I don't know if they're okay with that. So I just covered them up. But you can see my embellishment clusters. You can see what I did here with my washi tape. There's that multicolored scallop border that was on the introduction sheet. I just trimmed it down. I used washi tape layered with another washi tape with a chipboard piece here. That is that pocket page card that I cut down. These are all cutoffs or border strips, and each little cluster has a bit of the introduction sheet of pattern paper along with enamel and puffy hearts, a chipboard piece, a label, 2 washi strips, and a chipboard piece there. So each cluster is the same. This one has a little bit of space for journaling, and I'm going to let my daughter-in-law fill that out, since that is her friends that have been her friends. This is her friend who's been her friend since forever ago. Anywho, so I have another one done. I will have close-up photos at the end of the video. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up. That would be awesome. And if you're interested in following along, I do have a playlist called hashtag Best of 30DS CBL, and Christy's Beautiful Life also has the same hashtag where you can go and see what everyone has done who has tagged their layout with that or added it to the playlist. Anywho, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you tomorrow with another day of the Best of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Bye everyone.